Are you over 50 and wondering if your summer handbag is helping your look or quietly making you appear dated? You're not alone. The wrong bag can cheapen even the most elegant outfit, while the right one instantly elevates your style, making you look polished, sophisticated, and expensive. In today's video, I'm sharing 7 summer handbag styles every woman over 50 should own. The exact pieces that add elegance, confidence, and that effortless quiet luxury touch. And handbag number 4? It's the one that gives any outfit instant high-end chic. Let's dive in. And handbag number 1, the structured canvas bag. Let's start with one of the most underrated summer staples, the structured canvas bag. Now, I'm not talking about floppy beach totes that look tired and shapeless. A structured canvas bag instantly says, I'm practical, polished, and intentional. It's grown-up, elevated, and endlessly versatile. Here's what makes it work. Clean lines, quality stitching, and refined details like leather trim or brushed metal hardware. That structure pulls your whole look together. Slouchy canvas looks casual. Structured canvas looks expensive. The magic is in the vibe. It whispers confidence without being flashy. Pair it with crisp white linen trousers, a shirt dress, or even a simple tank and sandals. In navy, beige, or camel, it blends seamlessly with everything in your wardrobe while always looking elegant. Think Everlane, Madewell, or Longchamp. Brands that do this style beautifully. This is the bag for women who want to look smart and stylish without trying too hard. Handbag number 2, the elevated straw tote. Nothing says summer quite like a straw bag, but let's be clear. Not all straw totes are created equal. The floppy, fraying ones scream beach souvenir. The elevated straw tote, on the other hand, is pure chic. It's the shortcut to looking like you summer on the French Riviera, even if you're just heading to the farmer's market. Here's why it works. Texture with refinement. Look for structured bases, smooth weaving, and leather details that add polish. A straw tote with clean handles and thoughtful craftsmanship instantly looks intentional, not casual. Style-wise, this bag adds freshness and charm without trying too hard. Pair it with a breezy linen dress, wide-leg trousers, or even jeans and a white blouse. It softens structured outfits and elevates casual ones, finding that sweet spot between relaxed and refined. The beauty of the elevated straw tote is that it never goes out of style. It's flattering at every age, and it gives your summer look that effortless. I woke up chic feel. Brands like Cesta, Hat Attack, and in other stories do gorgeous versions with just the right amount of French girl charm. Handbag number 3, the small bucket bag. If the straw tote is relaxed chic, the small bucket bag is its polished little sister. For women over 50, this style hits the sweet spot between structure and softness. It's elegant, modern, and never overwhelming. Here's the secret. The vertical shape elongates your frame, while the smaller size keeps proportions balanced. The drawstring detail adds ease, but the overall silhouette still looks intentional. It's the kind of bag that says, I'm confident, I've outgrown trends, but I still know exactly what's stylish. Styling it is effortless. Pair it with tailored white pants and espadrilles for a refined summer look, or with a denim dress and sleek sunglasses for something more casual. Luxe materials make all the difference. Think buttery leather or soft vegan suede in rich tones like deep navy, espresso brown, or warm taupe. The result? A bag that feels playful yet sophisticated, youthful but never juvenile. Perfect brands to explore include Coccinelle, J.W. Pei, and Charles & Keith. Each offers versions that look refined, versatile, and endlessly wearable. Handbag number 4, the refined raffia bag. If you love summer texture but want it to feel polished, not beachy, the refined raffia bag is your answer. Unlike casual raffia that looks floppy, this version is structured, smooth, and crafted with intention. The result? A bag that whispers French Riviera chic instead of tourist kiosk. Here's why it works. Raffia adds warmth and dimension, like linen or soft gold jewelry. When shaped into a clean silhouette with thoughtful details, think leather trim, silk accents, or brushed hardware. It looks instantly high-end. It's casual enough for daytime, but elevated enough to pair with dressier outfits. Style it with flowy summer dresses, crisp shirt dresses, or wide-leg trousers. The texture softens structured looks and elevates simple ones. It's versatile, playful, and sophisticated all at once. The kind of bag that feels both worldly and effortless. The key is craftsmanship. Look for tight weaving, smooth finishes, and structured bases. Brands like Mango, Cesta, and Stod create versions that feel modern, refined, and expensive without the luxury price tag. Handbag number 5, the structured shoulder bag. If there's one bag that instantly says, I know who I am, it's the structured shoulder bag. For women over 50, this style is a true power move. Clean, classic, and endlessly chic. Here's why it works. Structure creates balance. A medium-sized shoulder bag with sharp lines instantly polishes any outfit. Whether you're in linen trousers, a summer dress, or simply jeans and a tee, no sag, no slouch, just crisp elegance that elevates everything. The secret to making it look expensive is in the details. Smooth leather, or a great vegan option, minimal hardware, and timeless shades like black, tan, or navy. A subtle clasp or small gold accent is all you need. Understated but refined. The beauty of the structured shoulder bag is that it's seasonless. It looks just as chic at a casual brunch as it does at an evening dinner. It's the handbag equivalent of a great haircut. Flattering, timeless, and instantly confidence-boosting. Brands worth exploring include Quana, Radley London, and Oraton. Each delivers that sophisticated, grown-up elegance you can carry anywhere. Handbag number 6, the crochet bag. Crochet isn't just for festivals anymore. The modern crochet bag has been reimagined into something refined, structured, and surprisingly chic, perfect for women over 50 who want texture with a touch of artistry. Here's the secret. It's all about craftsmanship. Forget floppy bohemian styles. Today's crochet bags feature smooth yarns, aligned interiors, and often luxe touches like leather trims or metallic threads. The result? A bag that feels elevated and intentional, not handmade and messy. The beauty of crochet is its texture. It softens sharp outfits and adds interest to simple ones. Pair it with a monochrome linen outfit, a silky sundress, or wide-leg trousers with a crisp blouse. It brings dimension without overpowering your look. And here's the vibe it gives off. I appreciate craftsmanship, but I also know how to keep it polished. It's nostalgic, yes, but modern at the same time. An unexpected accessory that feels stylish and worldly. Beautiful options can be found at brands like Staud and Furla, which create crochet bags that blend sophistication with personality. Handbag. 7. The structured crossbody. Let's end with the ultimate all-rounder, the structured crossbody bag. For women over 50, it's the perfect balance of comfort and chic. Unlike slouchy crossbodies that can look casual or messy, a structured version holds its shape, sits neatly against the body, and instantly elevates your look. Here's why it works. The size and structure create clean lines, while the crossbody design keeps you hands-free and confident. It's practical without ever sacrificing polish. The best versions come in soft leathers or quality vegan options with padded adjustable straps for comfort. And the hardware? Smooth, sleek, and strong. That's what makes it feel expensive. Style it with everything. Linen dresses, tailored pants, even denim and a blazer. It blends seamlessly into any outfit while adding that touch of refinement. Bonus points if it converts into a shoulder bag. Versatility is always chic. This bag says, I'm stylish, I'm practical, and I've mastered effortless summer dressing. Elegant brands to explore include Coccinelle, Pixie Mood, and Oraton, each offering crossbody bags that combine style, structure, and comfort beautifully. Styling tips to make any handbag look expensive. Now, before we wrap up, let me share a few insider tricks that apply no matter what bag you carry. First, pay attention to proportion. If you're petite, avoid oversized bags that overwhelm your frame. If you're taller, don't go too tiny. Balance is everything. Second, look at the hardware. Cheap zippers or flimsy clasps can instantly ruin an otherwise beautiful bag. Strong, smooth hardware always signals quality, even on a budget piece. Third, consider color. Neutral shades like camel, black, navy, or white are timeless and always look expensive. But don't shy away from a soft summer hue if it complements your wardrobe. Muted blush, sage, or sky blue can feel just as refined. Fourth, shop smart. High-end doesn't have to mean high price. Vintage and secondhand shops often hide incredible treasures with craftsmanship that lasts decades. And finally, remember this: confidence is your best accessory. The right bag can boost your confidence, but it's how you carry it that makes all the difference. Outro and call to action. And there you have it: 7 handbag styles that will instantly elevate your summer wardrobe and make you look expensive, no matter your budget. Each one works on its own, but together they create a handbag collection that's versatile, timeless, and endlessly chic. Now I'd love to know, which of these 7 bags are you most excited to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one and love connecting with you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to tap like, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a style tip designed for confident, elegant women over 50. Until next time, remember, style isn't about age, it's about attitude. And nothing looks more expensive than confidence.